Hey, what's going on, traders? Thursday, May 4th, 9:19 a.m., and these are your morning ideas. Okay, guys, we have a market that after the FOMC yesterday, we hiked 25 basis points. The market did the accordion for a little bit and then broke down later in the evening and then gapped down in the overnight session. So we're trading right basically on top of where we closed yesterday at 4096, 4100 area, as you see here on the 15-minute. But big picture, what we've done is the unfortunate is pulled back into the middle again, right? This has brought us back into the middle, and 4026 becomes on the radar. I was expecting the market to try to push, like I said 2 days ago, into 4200 and try to grab some of these stops. We just didn't do it. We've pulled down into the middle. So 4026 is an area to watch today. If we get on the other side of that, I think we're headed. I think we're headed lower. Other than that, I don't see I don't see a whole lot here, guys. We have a new area that we've been balancing in up here on the 4 hour. If you look at the 4 hour, and I love the 4 hour. It's my favorite chart to look at. You can see that we're trying to break below balance in the ES. And if we go lower, I would expect us to, go quite a bit lower, right? So here's that 40-20 area that I was just talking about. I expect us to break down further into the bottom of the overall area on the daily chart. But we are at the bottom of what we call the balance since, end of March, right? So end of March right here, and we're in May now. So about a month we've been kind of stuck in this area. So I would not be surprised to see a little bit of a technical bounce today. I think that the underlying is not good with the banks and stuff. I saw the TD Bank and another bank, I forget, First Horizons or something like that, canceled a $13 billion merger today. So there is still inherent risk there, in the market because of the banking stuff. And who knows what the Fed's going to do next. But anyway, that's kind of the picture. That's the technical picture. We got to move down, and we'll probably open right here at the low of yesterday. It'll be interesting to see if we break higher into the range from yesterday, which will probably take us all the way back up into the 4150 area, or we break lower and go towards that 4020 area. And if we test the here in 8 minutes, if we can't hold on to the lows, we're probably headed towards that area, and you likely see a test again of the low. So we move lower, come back, test, and then move ourselves down to 40, the 4020 area on the ES. Now, Nasdaq is very similar. You'll see it as I change the chart, it looks almost the same. And I mean, I could change the big picture too to the Nasdaq, and you'll see that. Let me do it right here for you. We don't have the profile on there, but a lot of times there's correlation. People are asking me, well, what about the Nasdaq? Well, the Nasdaq is in very similar situation that the ES is. There's a very high correlation, so either trade one or the other depending on which one you think moves best for you. But I don't like people trading multiple indices at the same time when they're so heavily correlated, because what you're doing is you're just multiplying your risk. So if you're going to trade multiple products, I would suggest you trade uncorrelated assets. But that's just me. Okay, guys, that's it for today, and we'll talk to you guys soon.